watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
The temperatures across West Michigan are about 15 to 18 degrees colder than average, and with that stiff wind, it really feels cold out there. Right now, Kalamazoo, or here at Muskegon, 37, 24-mile-an-hour wind reported there. With TV8, we're just a couple degrees above the freezing mark at 34. Let's take a look at a live picture from Calvin College, looking out over the East Beltline. Roads are just wet out there, and most areas will just have wet roads to deal with here during the evening hours. Lots of showers, though, moving through the area. You can see them moving from south to north. We'll stop this for just a second and see if we can track a few of these. This shower here, which is near the Zeeland area, should be up in Owego County in, let's see if we can get that to a time right here. That's, it's about an hour or so away. And this particular shower coming onshore in Muskegon County there in about 48 minutes or so. There's a lot more rain off to the south of us, and that is coming up in our direction. So keep the umbrella handy if you're going out here this evening. Cold out there. Look at all those temperatures only in the 30s. Wow. And just a couple low 40s there showing up southern lakeshore areas. Temperatures will be falling to around freezing here overnight tonight. Wind still a factor, 23 miles an hour here in Grand Rapids. Earlier today, a gust of 49 up in Rockford. A lot of gusts over 35 miles an hour early this morning. Wind chills are down in the 20s in many areas, so again, you'll need that warm coat going out this evening. We'll continue to see periods of rain during the evening hours. 34 degrees in Grand Rapids by around 11 o'clock, so we stay above freezing. It will be rather breezy here once again. More rain, maybe a little drizzle. It will continue to be breezy. There may be a little bit of snow mixing in at times, especially off to the east or northeast of Grand Rapids, and an overall cool pattern looks like it will continue right through most of the rest of the month of April. Here's a look at what we expect over the next 24 hours. We run the clock till around midnight, and you can see the heavier rain is off to the east of Grand Rapids. Lighter showers elsewhere. Most temperatures are above freezing yet. As we get to late tonight, temperatures north of Grand Rapids fall to around freezing, so there could be some icy spots. Remember that winter weather advisory for parts of parts of Oceana, Owego, and Mecosta counties. During the day tomorrow, periods of light snow or light rain. I don't expect anything in the way of accumulations here, but certainly a rather wintry day. Here's the way it looks over the next 8 days. Temperatures here next couple of days only in the low 40s. Pretty stiff winds, so those winds will eventually shift around and start coming out of the west off Lake Michigan. We're not expecting heavy amounts of rain. We've already had, though, many areas 2 to 4 inches of rain so far this week. There is a 60 there on Monday. We're crossing our fingers. That's not a sure thing. Don't hold your breath on that. But overall pattern remains cool and wet in the next week.
Okay. Something we have to get used to.
That's right.
Exactly.
We're trying. Thank you, Bill.